Do you want to speak on any topic in English without getting stuck? Well, in the next 3 minutes, I share a simple formula that can help you speak on almost any topic with confidence. Stay till the end because once you learn this method, you never wonder, what should I say next? Let's see how it works. Say the word is apple. What? An apple is a healthy fruit. Features of an apple. It is round, juicy, and usually red or green. Uses: people eat it as a snack and use it in juices and desserts. What is the opinion? I think apples are one of the healthiest fruits. Experience: I usually eat an apple in the morning because it keeps me energetic. See, you just spoke about an apple without struggling for ideas. Let's see example number 2, mobile phone. Now let's apply the same formula to a completely different topic. What? A mobile phone is an electronic device. Features: it has a screen, apps, a camera, and an internet access. What are its uses? We use it for calling, texting, studying, and entertainment. Opinion: I think it is one of the most useful inventions of modern times. Experience: I use my phone every day to learn English and stay connected with people. Again, same formula works perfectly. So the next time someone asks you to speak on any topic, don't panic. Just remember what: features, uses, opinion, experience. Now this simple formula will help you organize your thoughts and speak confidently on any topic. Now it's your turn. Try speaking about a chair, a tree, or a book. Practice it daily and you will never ever go blank. Subscribe for more practical English speaking tips and I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.